Coca-Cola, symbol of Free West. Hello America, and welcome to the Ravenhawk 6910 dashboard camera. And as you can see, I found a friend. This is Kerry Douglas, CSX 8954, one of my best friends.
Yeah.
And we're heading out to Dalton today, gonna hopefully catch some action on the Georgia Division, the WNA.
It's 4th of July, so they might be shooting bottle rockets out the canyon.
As it turns out, Kerry wasn't too far off. We arrived at the Dalton Freight Depot just in time for the unexpected arrival of the Loram rail grinder. He was working on the Georgia Division main line today between downtown Dalton and Waring Road. Once it got up to Waring, it would hold the siding and wait for the traffic level to clear, and then back down the main line to do the sidings. As impressive as watching the grinder, it is capable of starting a whole lot of trackside fires, which is why it has its own onboard water system to dampen things down. Even so, a water truck from Norfolk Southern today was following the grinder to take down any larger fires. A short wait. Then came CSX Q235, southbound loaded auto racks from Louisville, Kentucky to Tampa, Florida. Q35 is a daily run on the WNA and is a solid auto rack train, but today it had a TTX bulkhead flat and a 3-unit TTX well car midway through the train as well. It's my guess they're heading for repairs somewhere. After 235 cleared, we could hear NS-251, the southbound Roadrailer, approaching, so we headed over to the public parking deck next to the old CSX tower to catch it. Roadrailer is hands down my favorite train to catch on the Georgia Division. These trains are a string of truck trailers which ride on bogies instead of flat cars. Once the train arrives at its destination, the bogies are removed, and a truck tractor takes the trailer to its ultimate destination. After 2:51, Kerry and I parted company, and I headed back to the house for an afternoon siesta. Later on in the evening, I'm out at my cousin Christy's farm with the rest of the family for some fireworks to celebrate Independence Day.
And here we have the ammo man.
Yeah, it won't take long. This stuff's dry. It won't take long. No.
Christy's husband Shannon quickly got our bonfire going, and we started the fun.
Oh, Megan, I didn't know. Oh, it's the same one. I love those.
What's that other one?
I don't know. Oh. Yeah. Move, run! Woo!
Don't make it nervous.
Oh, God. What's it going to do? Oh, look.
That's
pretty cool. Look how pretty.
As much as I love fireworks, always remember to be safe and extremely careful, because things don't always go as planned, as seen in this unexpected incident.
Good night, everyone.
Until next time, this is Ravenhawk 6910 signing off.